Today I want to show you this from my last video, and I am so in love with it. Look at those bright colors. So this was the string pull, and my next one I'm going to do on I think it's a 16 by 16 inch canvas. This is 11 by 14. I absolutely love it. And the video cut out like after 12 minutes or something yesterday. And this probably took me like 40 minutes to make because I kept going in and adding more and changing and tilting. And the tilting was real slow because I didn't have a whole lot of paint on the canvas. So it might have been better off for you guys that you didn't have to sit through all that. But you also didn't get to see how I got to this point. But it is so cool. I love it, love it, love it. All right, let me climb up on this chair. Well, okay. So today I'm working on, I believe that's an 8 by 8. And I'm just going to do a little kind of flip cup with blues and yellows. I've got Prussian blue, pearl sapphire blue, lemon yellow, and deep yellow. So let me put my gloves on. These three are Arteza paints. The lemon yellow, I believe, is Artist Loft. Today is Friday. For you, it might be Monday. Today is my anniversary. Well, and my husband's. 22 years. Woohoo! So, I mowed the grass for him today. That was his gift. About as romantic as we get. But it was really long, the grass, so I mean, it was a good gift. And I scrubbed out my son's bathroom, who went to college. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, so he must have been maintaining it somewhat, but it still wasn't the most fun experience. Then I went on YouTube and started watching music videos, and that's like going down the rabbit hole, because then for the next hour I sat there watching YouTube videos. Didn't have to work today, but my back is killing me from working yesterday. I should add in I'm going to add in another yellow. It's pretty similar to those two. Actually, I put way too much paint in here. This is my Dutch Boy paint mixed with Floetrol and water. It's just in the squeeze container versus the others. friends, is why I always go back and I re-swipe, because I don't really care for that look. I don't like the white cells. I'm going to go through there with some Prussian. Oh, jeez. So right now in my head I'm humming a bunch of Pink songs. Since I was listening to Pink and I was listening to Disturbed and I was listening to David Bowie, I had a whole bunch of Amy Winehouse, a whole bunch of tunes I was listening to. There is no silicone in here, but I'm still getting cells. I find that the Arteza paint causes cells. I don't know why, but it does. How thick is this? Not too bad. Tilting it slightly. So there is a lot of paint on here. So get it slowly tilting off. Bring it back. That is really pretty. I am glad that I went back in and added that Prussian blue. It really made it stand out. It was way too monochromatic before. This is a very short and sweet video. Aren't those awesome? So remember, no silicone, just the Arteza paints. And I have linked to them in the video comments or description. But the white paint is my Dutch Boy, so the base coat is the Dutch Boy paint. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.